In this short video, I'm going to take you through the process we took in redecorating of this boring drywall to a beautiful whitewashed brick wall. We have installed around 400 square foot gray mix Chicago brick veneers on these interior walls. The first step was the layout on both sides of the wall. We have marked the top of every second course with a pencil. Then, we popped chalk lines for the top of each brick courses. We applied blue bonding agent on the drywall for better adhesion of the bricks. We set all the thin brick tiles on the scaffolds for a proper setup. Then we buttered the back of each brick with thinset and installed the bricks one by one following our chalk lines. When we installed all of the bricks, we started to whitewash the walls. We used white cement, hydrated lime and water mixture, and rolled it on top of the bricks. Then we started to grout it with pure white S-type mortar mix. We have cut the mortar and left the rest to a semi-rustic appearance. And this is how our brick walls turned out. What do you think about the outcome?